I used this piece here and just kind of made it one deal there. And I made knots and put these beads higher up. I just think it's more masculine that way, I guess, because these are going to be in the guy bags. Hello everybody, this is Glenda with Fralins and Friends Crafts Plus. And I hope if you did not watch the little trip downtown on my scooter yesterday that you will do it, because it was very fun, and I know several of you had been asking that I do that, but something's happened with notifications or something lately, because traffic has slowed down so much this week, and I've been getting some notifications from some of the places that I visit, but not nearly all of them. A lot of them I've had to actually look up in order to go and find out what their newest video is. And I have missed out on several. So I know that it's happening to a lot of places. So if you're hearing this and you know somebody who follows me but maybe hasn't been here, just let them know. I am still here. I'm uploading, but there's just, I don't know what it is. YouTube goes through this, and it's irritating, but I don't know what I can do about it other than just keep plugging. So I'm going to go ahead tonight. I've got two of these teeth made. I'm not going to be showing all of them, but I did make another bear claw. This one I did more in a brown, and I made it a little different. I don't know. My kids, some of the kids watch these, not all of them. They're all going to be getting surprised, so I will show you this one, I think, after all. But here we go. I used this piece here and just kind of made it one deal there. And I made knots and put these beads higher up. I just think it's more masculine that way, I guess, because these are going to be in the guy bags. I just, yeah, and I don't know. I don't want to overuse the beads too much. But yeah, sometimes the cord is kind of decorative in itself, since, you know, with the kind of things that I'm making here. So that's what I did with that one. With this one, I've got a few beads I'm going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and do one of those tonight. I haven't planned out the other one yet, because I usually plan them out as I set them out. So, but I've got these down to kind of a off-white, and then I've got the gold on the top. And I did both of them that way, but they're different sizes and different kind of markings on them and stuff. So just to be different. I got some new clay that I'll be using for some of these and for other stuff too. It's the Primo that is pre-colored, like with some of the other things I've done. Here's some green, and I got more black, I got more gold, yellow. I just got all different kinds of colors, so that there's a selection there. Stay there. Well, that's going to be plenty long enough. Then I get them way longer than I actually need, but it's better than wasting big long pieces that aren't going to work for anything. That's better. That's much better. Okay, I'm going to point you down now so you can see what I'm doing. I cleaned all this stuff off the desk. Well, the stuff for the dogs from the puppet show off the desk, and I messed it up again today. So here we go. See, I've just got these right here. Now, wait a minute. What happened? There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, what happened here? That happened. That happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One just slid over. Not that big of a deal. One just slid over. So I'm going to do just putting these on here. I think I'll have you listen to some music while I finish this one up. There. Here. Does that look Does that look charming? It's kind of nice to conserve beads a little bit. I think especially for the boys. Some of them, yeah, I've got fully beaded, and I think that's great. But I think it's also good to not maybe put so many beads on. A little more, I don't know, authentic. Or everybody have a really good night, and we'll see you Monday. Hopefully these notifications and the views will pick up soon. They are so important, because if I don't get the views, if I don't get the length of the views or the numbers, then I don't grow, I don't get, it's just like I'm stagnant. And we've hit a major mark here for me, having done this as long as I have, and I just hate for everything to just kind of trim off now. But I don't give up that easy, so I do expect people will be coming back, and it's probably just a matter of these notifications. And there's times when it's beautiful weather this week in most places, and so I know people are out doing things, and that I would not blame anybody for, because, hey, when I can get out, I do. So hopefully you'll catch up to me and see what I'm up to. Love you all. Good night. And we'll see you Monday.